Hey everybody, Jason here from Here Take This. Here's the puppy. Dakota. Kodiak. Kodiak. Alright guys, so the point is to just document what I do, how I do it, and hopefully you can learn from me making good decisions and hopefully not too many mistakes. Although we do make our best decisions and we learn the most from when we make mistakes. So I just got a delivery and I'm going to open it up from Amazon and see what's inside. Hopefully it's some great reseller stuff that I ordered. Let's see. All right, another pro tip. Pro tip number 1. Reuse this. This is free packing material. Reuse it. Don't throw it away. Reuse it. Look at all this. Free packing material. This is awesome. Look at all this. I love it. I love it. You should love it too. All right, so fancy feast. Gotta feed the kitty cats. Nice. All right, so this I'm actually really happy for. These are my 10 by 13 poly bags. You can order them in different colors. I didn't like the white. I thought, it's stupid. Let's do black. That way, if I sell something extra valuable, you definitely can't see through it. Really cool about this, 16 bucks for 200 of them. Most other poly bag sets or packages are going for $11 to $12 for 100. If you can afford the extra $4, go with the bigger bag. It reduces your cost per poly bag by a tremendous amount. Instead of spending 11 cents a piece, now you're going to spend 8 or 7.5 cents a piece. It doesn't seem like a big difference, but it adds up. All right. And then we have the bubble mailers. Bubble mailers. Again, I know I spent just a little bit. What's wrong with the... There we go. Sorry for the color, guys. I spent a little extra because I wanted blue. Now this is just me because I love blue. Blue is all of my company colors. It's automatically compensating the color. It's sepia. The whole video is sepia and vintage now. And now it's normal. All right, so 25, large size, 12 by 16-ish, and I spent somewhere around $16, $17 for 25 of them. So somewhere, no, not quite that much. I think it came out to about 55 cents a piece. So, all right, let's see, what else? Oh, this is for me. Actually, it's for... By the time this video is uploaded, this should be sent. So she won't know. If you can read, you can see. It says, Rebel Scum. Rebel Scum. One of my best friends, one of the most amazing people I know on the planet. Die-hard Star Wars fan. This is for you, Ariel. Love you. All right, one thing left. What is it? Cool. I probably overpaid for these, but I had a big discount from my Amazon store card, 5% cash back against purchases for my Amazon store card. So I got these. Come on. You can't really see them, but it's a box of 100 for $10 or something. Now you can go on Vistaprint. It's a thank you card. I'm going to put in all of mine. But that was because it was basically free because the 5% cash back on the Amazon store card. Buy all your stuff on your Amazon store card. Get that 5% cash back. It's like you're paying 5% less for everything that you buy using that card. Save money. And that's it. The last thing that you want to do is probably not buy those again. I was looking for stickers, and the girlfriend said she thought that was better. So I'm going to actually look for stickers, I want a thank you note. I want to let people know that they are supporting a small business, they are supporting a family. So hopefully, a nice little sticker will go a long way in that. You can go on Vistaprint.com, look up coupon codes. You can get 500 business cards for $9.99. Now it's only one-sided, but you can get the second side for just a couple of extra dollars. So for less than $20, you're going to get 500 cards that you can design and make your own and make look beautiful with your branding and your logos and everything like that you have going on, instead of paying $10 for 100 business cards. And they're not even full business card size. So, and thank you very much, guys. Love you. Hit share, hit subscribe, smash that like button. Smash the like. Hulk, smash the like button for Jason. Here, take this. Sorry, I had to do something a little different this time. Means a lot. If you're new here, thank you. If you're coming back, welcome back. And I love you all. Thank you.